I'm Elizabeth Thompson, and I'm in IB Sports Exercise. During this group 4 project, I mainly focused on what injuries athletes that wear minimalist shoes are most prone to and what injuries they're protected from.
My name is Jade Tashini and I'm in IB Physics. I mostly focused on the general information about the minimalist shoes. I was very intrigued by this project because how it affects society and injuries.
Hi, my name is Pranav, and I'm enrolled in IB Physics and IB Chem. The main component I did in this project was researching the key differences between traditional and minimalist footwear using hard data I compiled.
Our video demonstrates the difference between minimalist running shoes and traditional running shoes, and the consequences of the invention of minimalist shoes. By Pranav Rajan, Jade Tashini, and Elizabeth Thompson. Traditional shoes are everyday running shoes that consist of an arch in the foot. There are generally 2 types of minimalist shoes. A minimalist shoe has a 0 drop from heel to toe with minimal cushioning. Original minimalist shoes look like traditional shoes without the arch in the foot. Another minimalist is the barefoot running shoe, which is characterized by their no arch in the shoe with additional toes. Minimalist shoe manufacturers claim the same problems made from traditional running shoes, which can be solved by putting less shoe between the runner and the ground. But this is proven wrong. According to a study published by Magazine of Sports Science, when they test 3 different types of shoes, including one minimalist, of the 23 injuries reported, 19 of them were from minimalist shoes. The injuries most common are intense shin pain, plantar fasciitis ruptures, and stress fractures. Another study by Stilzer, when 2 experienced and injury-free runners gradually switched to barefoot running shoes. After 2 months of barefoot running, they both had a type of metatarsal stress fracture. Both of these studies support that minimalist running shoes increase a runner's risk for injury. These results show on average both shoes suffered the greatest degradation when the shoes were ran in for 2 kilometers. They lost 54% of the energy absorption over the completed process. Also, the thicker and softer the heel was, there was a drop in energy absorption. For instance, the thick heel sample absorbed 83% more energy. Our mind map is the difference between minimalist shoes and traditional running shoes. The biggest difference is the arch and no arch. The minimalist shoes come in both original and barefoot. The barefoot has toes in the shoes, while the original minimalist does not. The minimalist shoes result in more injuries than traditional shoes while running, but these results vary depending on the runner.